Yeah, so just before we get into this, so what is AI Businesses all about? So AI Businesses is a platform for giving you the best reviews of the software you can use in automating your business processes, your sales, your marketing, your customer support, your automation, everything you want to automate in your business. AI Businesses is the best platform for you to get reviews, infos, analysis, recommendations, and you could even use our support system to actually get the best software by reaching out to us. Just clicking on this chat function here, then you can select any of these agents to speak with, and once you get across to them, then boom, you get on your way to actually starting to implement a solution. So yes, straight to today's business, conversational commerce. That is what we'll be talking about today in our video. So first of all, what is conversational commerce? Let's get started from there before we delve deep into the post and stuff. So do you have this instance where you have a friend who runs a shoe store, then you want to probably place an order for a shoe, and you just take your phone, you go to the WhatsApp, and you just message the friend or the vendor, and you guys start negotiating. It shows you the available products, you pick the one you want. Then it feels more like you are actually physically present at the store and you are placing your order, or you are shopping right at the mall. That is how conversational commerce is intended to be like, because commerce is not just going to be just principled navigational style like the normal e-commerce. We have Amazon, Shopify, where you just log into their platforms, then you pick an order, put it to your cart, you check out and you pay, and you expect delivery. You can only really complain when your product has been delivered. No. So conversational commerce eradicates those strict styles and those unhuman like shopping experience. Conversational commerce give you that human like shopping experience where you get to chat with your vendor or the platform from which you are purchasing your products from. So you could just pick up your phone, probably go to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever the channel is, initiate a conversation, get a response, state what you want, get a response, and all of those stuff. You could probably go as far as negotiating the price if it's negotiable, and that's how it is built to flow. So but this conversational commerce is actually powered by what we call conversational AI. So conversational AI is an advanced technology, artificial intelligence technology, that uses both NLP, NLU, and NLG. All of those you can get to understand once you read this post here. There's a link to the post here. When you get there, you can just, so NLP is natural language processing, NLU is natural language understanding, and NLG is natural language generator or generation. And it also uses technology such as deep learning, predictive analytics, machine learning, and other stuffs at OCR and likes to actually power and make the bots engage with you in a human-like form, which means you can hardly detect if you are not actually chatting or relating with a human. The reason why you would probably at some point be able to detect is probably when you bring up the issue of negotiation and probably refuses you that chance to negotiate. That is when you might actually just detect that, oh, I'm actually conversing with a bot, but this bot actually handles this conversation like a human. So this technology helps it to do that. So the summarization of all of these technologies in the bot together is called conversational AI. It is an advanced artificial intelligence built to have conversation like a human with customers and clients. So once you deploy the solution for conversational commerce, you are going to use conversational AI platforms, and you don't need to worry about getting those AI platforms, knowing them. We also have a content here for it. You can just click on this to know the best conversational AI companies you can use to deploy to actually get started with your conversational commerce. And if you don't want to go through all of those stress, we have all of that answered here below for you, so you could reach out to any of these platforms to actually get started with your conversational commerce. So now back to how conversational commerce is. So let's just play this short video from live chat so you can say, hello, I'm looking for running shoes. Then automatically the bot pops up a shoe for the person and like, okay, this is the shoe available right now, then oh wow, I'll take them. Then you can just complete your order right there. This is just a short gift just to let you know how this thing is powered or tailored. So we define conversational commerce, and we said, so in summary, conversational commerce is the use of hybrid conversational or messaging platforms or technologies to facilitate the process of selling your products or services to your customers by providing a messaging or conversational shopping experience where your users get to interact like they were in your shop physically. So in summary, that is what conversational commerce is actually. So you can get to read all of that up and get the flow and how it is and everything. A scenario, we also gave a scenario to here explaining how it's all started and the technology behind it. So is conversational commerce different from chat commerce? It's not different from chat commerce, but there is a thin line between the two. So chat commerce is just basically you using your chat platforms like Instagram and likes, using the automated responses, your WhatsApp business, the basic automated responses you can get there, or you yourself handling the conversations. But conversational commerce, on the other hand, is using conversational AI and your human presence to actually take on the conversations. So what do I mean? So imagine you go to a website like let's see, what website do we go to now? Okay, let's just say we go to a website like ogabai.com. I guess this is down. Okay, so yeah, so I guess Ogabai was down. So moving back here, so I just search for e-commerce site with chatbot. So let's not go fast. So let's use this Veloop feature here. So let's say this is our e-commerce site and this is Veloop. You can actually use their conversational AI. They are the #1 in the world actually. So you can use their AI, reach out and stuff. So more of the chatbot is like you come here, then you pick up this an advanced chatbot. This is AI, this is conversational AI to its fullest actually. So you can do a lot of stuff. But a traditional chatbot, on the other hand, will just collect your name, your details, your name, your email, and your query. That's all. Then it keeps it till an agent sees it to respond. But on the other hand, let's say this is a conversational AI on its own. So now, hi, I'm Lupa, happy to chat with you. Welcome to yellow.ai. What would you like to do today? Do I want to schedule a demo? Know more about yellow.ai, read an article. So basically, this is a platform that sells software as a service. So now let's say I want to probably ask about conversational okay, let's say know more about value.io. So it gives me stuffs, and if I want to schedule a demo, so let's say I have to schedule a demo. Yes, to schedule a demo I will need to send you a calendar invite. Could you write your business email? So let's say I put in my business email as okay, lagbaja at aibusinesses.com, and I put it in there. So it asks for my company's name, so I'm saying Lagwaja. So it asks for my details. So automatic this advanced AI keeps on qualifying me, because this is a lead generation aspect, because I'm trying to book a demo. So if it was to be an e-commerce platform, a full e-commerce platform, and you probably wanted to deploy and check that out, it would just ask for some basic details. But conversational commerce on its own is now you infusing this technology into your platforms in such a way that you get to use them in your chat. So here is an example of what I'm talking about. So let's come here. I'll open my WhatsApp now. So let's search for Epigamia. This is an e-commerce platform, and this bot was actually deployed by yellow.ai itself. So let's say we are initiating a conversation on hello. So automatically it gives me a response. Hi there, I am da. So what do I want to do? Do I want to help? Do I want it to help me with a past order? Do I want to explore? Do I have a question? Do I have to track my order? So let's say I have a question. So what's this question business? Is it on products, on their products, their payment, their orders, their delivery? So let's say I have a question on their payments. I can assist you with any question. Payment did not go through. So let's say in case of failed payments. So it gives me a response. So all of these things are tendered. But if I wanted to shop, I would have actually probably helped me with a past order or place an order. Depending on what you build on your flow, then it continues like that and that. So that's an example of a conversational commerce where you can make inquiries about the products, place an order, make inquiries about your payments, ask for refund, track your orders, track your delivery, ask general inquiries or any other thing. So there are a lot of stuff you can actually do with it. Nika uses it, Epigamia uses it. So a lot of stuff you could do with your conversational commerce there. So how can I start conversational commerce? Simple. A lot of stuff. We identify the best channels for you, so you can do that. Then set up a budget, create and identify your business use cases, and you can read up all of that. Then the best conversational commerce softwares in the world, like I said earlier, these are the top best. You can use the solution I used earlier was created by Velu. Then you can compare their pricing too, depending on if you're a small business, if you're an enterprise, depending on however big or large your stuffs are. So like I said earlier, there's a difference between conversational AI and chatbot. So you can read this post just to catch up on that. And how do you buy these softwares? You can reach out to us. You can use the links we provided on the listings where we listed the top, and you can talk to the writer who contributed this directly on the platform. So this is his LinkedIn profile. You can send us a mail too, and don't forget you can click right here to chat with any of the agents available to pick up your conversations for you. Then what next? Get started right now, because the current valuation of the conversational commerce is $4.9 trillion, and this is a new industry. By 2025, which is about 2 years from now, 2 to 3 years from now, not up to 3 years again, this industry will be worth $7.8 trillion. But we still feel here that this is still undervalued, because this industry is actually larger than e-commerce and social commerce combined together, because it is the infusion of both. So yeah, so finally, what can you help us do? Drop a comment here at the YouTube, like, share, subscribe. Let other business people know about this channel. You can help us grow there too. And when you visit the blog to read about this review, you can help us drop a comment too. You can share to your community and likes. So yeah, you can also read up all of our other contents on CRMs, conversational AIs and stuff. And yeah, so till we meet again, we hope you'll be able to do enough justice to conversational AI, and when you read up the post, you get to understand everything you need to know. So this video was just a summary of what we get to meet today. Thank you.